Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to another BodyMaitre 4 Bodies Consciousness meditation. Today, together with your higher self and the Collective Angelic Team, we will activate and embody one of the highest frequencies available to humanity: gratitude. Gratitude is not simply saying thank you. It is a state of consciousness, a way of seeing life, a way of thinking, a way of feeling, a way of living. Today, we are not trying to force gratitude. Instead, we are allowing gratitude to become part of who we are. As always, only energies that serve your highest good are welcomed. Everything happens safely, lovingly, and at the perfect pace for your soul. Find a comfortable position. Allow your hands to rest naturally. Close your eyes gently. Take a slow, deep breath in and slowly exhale again. Breathing in peace. Breathing out everything you no longer need. One more deep breath. Feel your body becoming lighter, more relaxed, more present. Imagine beautiful golden light surrounding your entire body. You are completely safe, completely protected, completely loved. Your higher self now joins you. The Collective Angelic Team surrounds you with unconditional love. Their only intention is your highest evolution. Imagine yourself stepping into a magnificent angelic temple of light. Everything here radiates peace. You stand upon a beautiful circular platform, the BodyMaitre command deck. Above you, countless stars shimmer with divine intelligence. Below your feet, Mother Earth lovingly supports you. Take a gentle breath. Now silently say within your heart, engage. Feel the entire command deck come alive. Sacred symbols illuminate around you. Columns of crystalline light rise upward. The angelic hologram activates. You are now inside your multidimensional healing space. In front of you, 4 beautiful versions of yourself begin to appear. Each one represents one aspect of your complete being. On your left, your spiritual body. Next, your mental body. Next, your emotional body. And finally, your physical body. Each body smiles gently at you. Each one is ready to receive today's divine frequency. Bring your attention to your spiritual body. See brilliant golden white light surrounding it. The Collective Angelic Team now opens a beautiful stream of divine light from above. This light carries the pure consciousness of gratitude. Simply allow it to flow. No effort, no resistance, only receiving. As this frequency enters your spiritual body, it begins to activate your soul memory. It awakens your divine knowing. Silently repeat, I now activate the consciousness of gratitude. I am aware of divine abundance. I recognize blessings already present. I realize every experience serves my soul. I remember who I truly am. Allow this awareness to anchor deeply into your spiritual body. Now look toward your mental body. Imagine thousands of beautiful crystals within the brain beginning to glow. The gratitude frequency now downloads like golden codes. Each code gently installs into every thought, every belief, every perception, every memory. Silently repeat, I now install gratitude into my mind. My thoughts naturally notice opportunities. My mind recognizes abundance. My beliefs support joy. My perspective creates possibilities. My inner dialogue becomes loving. Watch every old limitation dissolve. Only supportive programs remain. Allow the installation to complete. Bring your awareness to your emotional body. See a beautiful emerald and rose gold light filling the entire emotional field. Every emotion begins to soften. Every resistance begins to melt. Now, feel gratitude, not because you must, but because your heart naturally remembers. Silently repeat, I now feel gratitude. My heart welcomes life. I express appreciation freely. I allow joy to emerge. My emotions become harmonious. Feel your heart becoming warm, gentle, open, expansive. Allow gratitude to overflow naturally. Now turn toward your physical body. See every organ, every cell, every muscle, every bone receiving beautiful golden light. Every cell now remembers gratitude. Every breath becomes gratitude. Every movement becomes gratitude. Silently repeat, my body lives gratitude. My actions reflect gratitude. My choices create abundance. I naturally attract supportive experiences. I embody divine gratitude. Watch millions of cells lighting up like stars. Your entire body begins vibrating with this new consciousness. Now all four bodies begin moving closer together. The spiritual body, the mental body, the emotional body, the physical body. Beautiful streams of golden light connect them. Gratitude now flows effortlessly through all four bodies simultaneously. Spirit informs the mind. Mind inspires the heart. Heart energizes the body. Body expresses the soul. They become one harmonious system, one consciousness, one frequency, one beautiful expression of your authentic self. Your higher self now steps forward, placing both hands gently over your heart. A radiant sphere of golden light forms inside your chest. This becomes your inner gratitude sun. Every day, it grows brighter. Every breath strengthens it. Every experience nourishes it. Every choice expresses it. This frequency is now becoming your natural state. Now imagine yourself 1 month from today, living with genuine gratitude. Notice how you think. Notice how you speak. Notice how people respond to you. Notice new opportunities appearing. Notice your peace. Notice your confidence. Notice your relationships. Notice your health. Notice your abundance. Simply witness the version of yourself who naturally embodies gratitude. Allow your subconscious mind to learn from this future version of you. Now imagine this beautiful frequency flowing outward, into your family, into your home, into your workplace, into your community, into humanity. Without effort, your gratitude becomes a blessing for everyone around you. As you elevate yourself, you naturally help elevate the collective consciousness. Take one final deep breath. The Collective Angelic Team gently seals today's installation. Your higher self confirms the consciousness of gratitude has been activated, downloaded, installed, integrated, and is now naturally unfolding at the perfect pace for your highest good. Whenever you choose gratitude, this frequency becomes stronger. Whenever you practice gratitude, it becomes who you are. Take another deep breath. Feel your body. Feel the chair beneath you. Feel your feet. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers, move your shoulders, and slowly open your eyes. Welcome back. Thank you for sharing this sacred journey with the BodyMaitre community. If this meditation has served you, return to it often, each time you listen. The consciousness of gratitude becomes more deeply embodied within your spiritual body, your mental body, your emotional body, and your physical body. Remember, you are not becoming someone new. You are remembering who you have always been. Until next time, may your higher self and the Collective Angelic Team continue to guide every step of your journey.